How to fix Windows search is down on Windows 10. If your met Windows search is down issue, try these steps. Open Registry Editor. Go to hkey_current_user /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /search. Create a new DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name that DWORD as Bing Search Enabled. Type 0 in the value data. As Bing Search Enabled. Type 0 in the value data. Save the change you made. Open Cortana Consent. Type 0 in the data field. Click OK. Restart your PC.